Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English, the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. And hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is wonderful to be back with you today.
It really is. I'm so happy to be here. How are you doing today, Alex?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. The sun is shining. I have my cup of tea and I am ready to chat. How are you?
I'm great. I'm feeling very energetic today. I think it's because of our topic.
Ooh, I love when you are energetic. So, what is our topic today?
Today, we are going to talk about a big problem for many English learners.
A big problem? Oh no. Is it grammar?
No, it's not grammar. It's something in our heads.
In our heads?
Yes, it's the idea that we must be perfect.
Ah, perfection.
Yes, that big scary monster.
It really is scary.
So our topic is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.
I love that title. You just need to start. It sounds simple, but it's actually quite hard.
Exactly. But before we help our listeners start their journey, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our conversations and want to learn more English, please subscribe to our channel, Daily English.
Yes, click that subscribe button, give this episode a big like, and share it with your friends, your family, or anyone who wants to speak English. It helps us so much.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Emma, let's talk about starting.
Let's do it. Alex, why do people wait to start speaking?
I think they are afraid. They think, if I speak, I will make a mistake.
Oh, yes, the fear of mistakes. I know that feeling.
We all know it. But waiting for perfect English means waiting forever.
That is so true. If I waited to be perfect at cooking, I would never eat dinner.
Exactly. And you cook very well now because you practiced.
So we need to practice. But how?
Studying for 5 minutes is not enough, right?
No, not really. 5 minutes is better than zero, but we need to do more effective things. Real practice.
Okay, I am a student today. I want to learn. What is the first tip?
The first tip is about listening and watching.
Okay, I like watching things.
You need to watch short videos in English.
Short videos like on social media or YouTube Shorts.
Yes, but here is the rule. You must use English subtitles.
English subtitles. Not my own language.
Nope. This is very important. You need to see the English words while you hear the English sounds.
Ah, I see. So my brain connects the sound to the text.
Exactly. It helps your brain recognize words faster.
That makes sense. And short videos are good because, well, they're short.
Yes. You can watch one, then watch it again, and maybe a third time.
Repetition. I like that. And it's not boring if the video is funny.
Precisely. Find content you enjoy. Cooking, cars, comedy, anything.
Okay, so watch short videos with English subtitles. I can do that. What's next?
Next is something you can do alone. No teacher needed.
Ooh, I like free methods.
It's called self-talk?
Self-talk? Talking to myself?
Yes,
Emma, people will think I'm a little crazy if I walk down the street talking to myself.
you don't have to shout. You can whisper. Or do it at home.
Okay, so what do I say?
You narrate your life. Describe what you are doing right now. For example, If you're making breakfast, say, I am taking the eggs. I'm opening the fridge. The pan is hot.
Simple sentences about real actions.
Yes, try to do this for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Sounds easy, but it's harder than you think. You have to find the words quickly.
It forces your brain to think in English, not translate.
Exactly. I am drinking my tea. It is hot. I am putting the cup down.
Perfect! You're doing it already.
It's fun. It makes boring moments interesting.
It really does. And if you don't know a word, that's okay. Look it up later.
That's a great way to find gaps in my vocabulary.
Speaking of vocabulary, that brings us to my next tip.
Nice transition. What's the next tip?
Don't just learn random words. Save expressions you actually use.
What do you mean by random words?
Well, sometimes students learn lists like types of fish or tools in a garage.
I did that. I learned the word for screwdriver. I never use it.
Exactly! Unless you're a mechanic, you don't need that word every day.
So what should I learn?
Pay attention to what you say in your own language.
The things I say every day.
Yes. If you often say, I'm really tired, I need a break, then learn that phrase in English.
That's smart because I will definitely use it.
Yes. Save these expressions in a notebook or on your phone.
Real life vocabulary, not textbook vocabulary.
Exactly. It makes your English useful immediately.
I like that word, immediately. We want results now.
We do. And to get results, we need structure.
Structure? That sounds like grammar again.
A little bit, but in a fun way. I want you to rewrite simple phrases.
Rewrite them? How?
Take a sentence starter, like, I usually.
Okay. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now finish it in different ways.
I usually drink coffee. I usually take the bus. I usually wear jeans.
Yes! See? You made 4 sentences quickly.
That is powerful. I'm practicing the grammar of I usually without reading a grammar book.
Exactly. You get comfortable with the pattern.
Can I do this with other frames?
Of course. Try I like to, or I'm going to.
I'm going to the shop. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to learn English.
Yes, it builds confidence. You realize you can say many things with one simple structure.
This is great for beginners. It makes speaking feel easy.
It is. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to communicate.
I agree. Okay, Emma. I'm watching videos, talking to myself, learning useful words, and using sentence frames. Anything else?
Yes, one more physical tip.
Physical, like exercise?
Sort of. It's exercise for your mouth.
My mouth muscles.
Yes, I want you to read out loud.
Read out loud. Okay. For how long?
5 to 10 minutes. But here's the challenge. Do not stop.
Do not stop.
No matter what.
What if I make a mistake?
Keep going.
What if I don't understand a word?
Keep going.
Wow, intense. Why?
Because when we stop, we analyze. We get nervous. We criticize ourselves.
The perfection monster again.
Exactly. But when you read nonstop for 10 minutes, you just flow. You feel the rhythm of English.
I see. It's about flow, not accuracy.
Yes, you are training your tongue and lips to move in English.
It's like going to the gym. For my face.
Yes! And after 10 minutes, your mouth might feel tired.
That means I worked hard.
It means you are physically changing how you speak.
Can I read anything?
Anything. A news article, a children's book, a blog post, or even a transcript of this podcast.
Oh, great idea. Read our conversation out loud.
Yes, you can be me and I can be you.
Wait, I want to be Emma.
Okay, you can be Emma. Just read. Hear your own voice.
Hearing my own voice in English? Sometimes that feels strange.
It does at first, but you must get comfortable with it. It is your new voice.
My English voice, I like that.
Alex, do you notice something about all these tips?
Let me think. Watching videos, self-talk, rewriting sentences. None of them require a classroom.
Exactly! You can do all of these at home, even in your pajamas.
Yes, I can learn English in my pajamas. That is the best news I've heard all day.
The important thing is action. Passive learning is okay, but active learning is better.
Yes, I can listen to English all day, but if I never open my mouth, I won't speak.
Exactly. You have to produce language, even if it's messy.
Even if it's wrong, I need to remember that. Mistakes are proof that I'm trying.
Yes, a mistake is a stepping stone, not a wall.
Wow, Emma, you are very wise today.
I just want everyone to feel free. English is a tool for connection. It is not a test.
It is not a test. That really takes the pressure off.
So, to review our tips for today, what was number 1?
Number 1. Watch short videos with English subtitles. Number 2. Self-talk. Narrate your life for 30 seconds. I am holding the microphone.
Good. Number 3?
Save expressions I actually use in daily life. No screwdrivers unless necessary.
Correct. Number 4?
Rewrite simple phrases using patterns like I usually or I like to.
Excellent. And the last one?
Read out loud for 5 to 10 minutes nonstop. Train those muscles.
You have a perfect memory, Alex.
I'm just a good student.
These are practical steps. You can start today, right now.
Yes, you don't need to wait for Monday. You don't need to wait for a new year. Just start. Pick one tip, just one, and do it.
Maybe do the self-talk today while you wash the dishes.
Perfect. And tomorrow, maybe watch a video. It adds up. Little by little, you become confident.
And that is our goal here at Daily English, to help you grow.
Emma, I feel motivated. I think I'm going to practice my self-talk on the way home. I am walking to the car. I am opening the door.
I am driving very carefully.
Yes, and I hope our listeners feel motivated too.
I'm sure they do. We have the best listeners in the world.
We really do. But sadly, we're coming to the end of our episode.
Oh, time flies when we're having fun.
It always does. But before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes. We want to hear from you in the comments. Which tip will you try first?
Will you try self-talk? Or maybe reading out loud?
Let us know. Write it in the comments below.
Writing it is a commitment. You are promising yourself.
That's true. Make a promise to your English journey today.
And please, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English.
And click the bell icon so you never miss a video. We have so many more topics coming.
And give us a like. It makes Emma smile.
It makes Alex smile too.
It really does. A big smile. Thank you so much for listening. You are doing a great job. Keep going.
Yes. Believe in yourself. You can do this.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye.